Python error and function, beginner. I recently started coding and encountered something I didn't understand fully while trying to learn Python on Codecademy. The task was to create a function that would tell if called upon, whether the number was a prime number or wasn't. So here was my first solution. After running it kept giving the message that is _prime3 was giving false, instead of giving a true. So after searching a little bit on the Codecademy forums, I found that if the last bit of the code was altered to it started working normally. Could anyone explain me how this alteration caused the code to work? Thanks in advance.
What happens in the first code snippet is that the loop barely gets a chance to run. The if clause inside it has both a then and an else branch, so either one of them will always execute. Because both of them have a return inside it, the function will return as soon as the loop executes for the first time. Additionally, in your specific test case of 3, the loop doesn't even run once, because range specifies an exclusive upper bound. Range 2 is an empty range. The function reaches its end without a return, and in Python that causes the function to return a special value of none. The second code snippet was modified to only exit the function if it finds a counterexample that proves that the given number was not prime. In this case, it's okay to return early from the function because if one divisor was found, the number cannot possibly be a prime and there's no need to check the rest. Only if the loop finishes without finding one, the return true after the loop will be reached.